December 10.
December 10th?
December 10. Jen po, Miss Jen Ann, sabihin niya. Sige, Eliza. Bigyan kita number. 93 ka, Eliza. Pag pupunta ka dito, mag-share ka lang. Tapos sabihin mo, Dan share 93. Eliza. Eliza.
Ada Benyang.
Anong tawag ng pangalan mo? Eliza May.
Kim from Australia, Austria.
Eliza May, 93 ka. 93. Miss Manilin, 48. Puntahan mo to, Eliza. Lagyan mo lang ng Jean Heart.
Can you hear my music, hon? Is it too
Yeah,
loud?
sure. Yeah, sure.
You want to hear it?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go put it just loud enough that I can hear it.
Mm.
How's the weather where you guys are at? You having a typhoon
Green
again?
lover. Wait, smile.
I am smiling. Oh, you're saying smile, smile.
Smile. Yeah, Eliza May, pwede ka nang mag-start ngayon kasi may number ka na. Melvin, hello Melvin. Bakas mo na
Here's the numbers right
lalapin.
here. Here's the numbers right here.
35. Sis Girly. '93, sure 93, very good. Good job, Eliza. Nizel, na-send ko na Nizel ha, panalo mo Nizel. Wala na kayong deposit dito. Si Girly na lang kasi hindi nag-PM si Girly, hindi na basta Girly. Orangutan number 850.
Curly,
Junalyn 36.
green lover, green lover.
Okay ka na, 93, okay ka na. Bye, LV. Hello, Yen. Shout out to you, Yen.
Jonah Lynn.
Orangutan, thank you so much for coming.
Yen. Yen. Something's wrong with my phone. It doesn't automatically scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
Flory.
Sis Flory, hello, guapa. Answer, Mike. Hi, Sis Flory, guapa. I see you all later from Orangutan. Thank you. Guys, ano lang to ha, 20 Nizel. 20 Gcash lang to ha. Sa gusto lang sumali. Pam.